The drought situation in Tamil Nadu has taken a turn for the worse. The water level at Mettur Dam has become very low and the power stations may have to be shut down.
Damn it! This spoils my whole evening. Why can't these power stations have air-cooled steam condensers and not be dependent on make-up water for their running? Uffo.
Paharpur's air-cooled steam condensers are supported by world-class know-how and manufacturing capability. They are ideal for small and medium-sized power plants and help to locate power plants where they are needed, even if there is no water available. Paharpur's air-cooled steam condensers can be supplied to perform over a wide spectrum of operating requirements. Single-point responsibility assures faster response and economical project execution. Paharpur's state-of-the-art manufacturing units are equipped with sophisticated metal working, finning, welding and material handling machinery. The focal point for the manufacture of air-cooled condensers is Paharpur's Bhasa factory. But components are also sourced from its Kolkata and Sahibabad factories. Quality has always been the hallmark of any Paharpur product. The standard of excellence of quality is reflected in all stages of the project, starting from expertise of the design team, procurement of materials, to fabrication and finally site erection and plant commissioning. At all stages, requirements of the client, specifications and applicable international codes are strictly adhered to. A unique feature of the Paharpur air-cooled steam condenser is its divided rear header or DRH design. In a typical A-frame type steam condenser, steam routed through the turbine exhaust duct enters the condenser bundles at the top and the condensate flows out through the lower end. Non-condensables are vented out of each row of the condenser using individual steam jet air ejectors or vacuum pumps. Paharpur's independent tube row design with divided rear headers prohibits backflow of steam to prevent non-condensables from trapping in individual tube rows and formation of dead zone for heat transfer. The design is flexible and system efficiency is maintained over a wide range of temperatures and varying operating loads. Condensate and non-condensables are evacuated from each row separately, thereby maintaining positive fluid separation qualities of a single row condenser. The different condensing capability in each tube row is attained by providing two 1.5-inch diameter tube rows at the bottom where large condensation of steam occurs and two 1.25-inch tube rows on the top. The Paharpur DRH type condenser offers the following advantages over other available designs. 1. Due to separate evacuation of each row, the chance of vapor locking and formation of dead zones is eliminated. 2. It offers the flexibility to handle off-design conditions at partial load, something which is not possible in deflegmator type of configuration. 3. As the rear headers can be lifted mechanically without dismantling the bundle, any leaking tube-to-tube sheet joint can be easily identified and repaired. 4. Progressive thermal expansion can be accommodated in the tube layout pattern. 5. Unequal condensation in tube rows across the bundles is compensated by varying the finned tube diameter. Paharpur's DRH steam condensers are available in a variety of finned tube configuration to suit the application and environment. The condenser tubes are available with extruded, embedded or wrap-on type fins. Finning is carried out in-house using state-of-the-art McElroy tube finning machines. The fins are generally of aluminium but may also be of galvanized steel. By definition, an air-cooled steam condenser requires air. More precisely, it requires large quantities of air distributed uniformly and efficiently. To achieve these goals, Paharpur furnishes mechanical equipment designed specifically for air-cooled condenser application. DRH condensers achieve low power and noise by using large diameter multi-bladed Paharpur fans. The fans are driven by high-quality TEFC induction motors through Paharpur's spiral bevel-cum helical gearboxes. Paharpur gearboxes are designed to operate continuously under difficult duty conditions. These time-tested rugged units are provided with online lubrication facility and are conservatively selected with high service factors. The motors can be single or dual speed. They can also be suitable for variable frequency drive if so specified. A DRH condenser package contains a host of bought-out components like ejectors, pumps, steam dumping device or PRDS, fin cleaning system, expansion bellows and so on. Paharpur has nurtured and developed a strong integrated sub-vendor base to cater to the varied requirement and schedule of any project. The supporting structure can be of steel or reinforced concrete. Paharpur is equally at home with both. DRH condensers require extensive site work. The tube bundles and structurals are dispatched in knockdown sub-assemblies which are assembled at site to form the complete unit. Paharpur's project execution experience is reflected in the workmanship of the erection task force. Commissioning and training specialists are deployed to synchronize the condenser and train the owner's operation team during final commissioning and plant handover. Paharpur's sales and service network assures ready availability of technical experts from any operational or field-relative problems. Air-cooled steam condensers are not as expensive as might appear at first sight. While working out the economics, it has to be kept in mind that air-cooled steam condensers eliminate the entire recirculating water system associated with water-cooled condensers, such as cooling towers, circulating water pumps, circulating water pipes and valves, and so on. The higher fan power requirement of an air-cooled steam condenser is offset to a great extent by the saving in cooling tower fan power and circulating water pump power. Hence, whenever one is not sure of continuous availability of water of the desired quality, one should seriously consider the option of an air-cooled condenser. ACC, Philips Carbon Black, Rajshri Sugars and EID Parry are just some of the customers who have ordered Paharpur air-cooled steam condensers for their power plants, ranging in capacity from 6.5 megawatt to 25 megawatts.
Paharpur can manufacture any size and type of air-cooled condenser to meet your requirement, and all of them world-class. So the next time you are building a power plant, especially a captive one, don't worry if you don't have a reliable make-up water supply or if the water quality is bad. Simply install a Paharpur air-cooled condenser. No matter where you go, Paharpur is on the job to help keep you more comfortable and to keep plants running profitably.